Hello students, this is my 11th video. In this video, I am going to tell differentiation based on chain rule. As you know, in previous video already I have told one questions based on chain rule. But in this video, I am going to tell so many questions based on chain rule. Understood? Then chain rule means dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Clear? If question is like this one here, y is equal to suppose sin x square. Sin x square. Clear? Like this one. Second, if y is equal to cos of sin of x square, here how many functions are there? 1, 2, 3. This is composite function. Differentiation of function of a function. This is known as the chain rule or composite function. It is 1 to 1 and 2. It is 1 to 3. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into and dv by dx. Just 2. If suppose 3 means y is equal to log of cos of sin x square. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either one function, two function, three function, four function. Clear? In 4 means dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dw into dw by dx. These are the chain rule. If only two functions are there, means function of a function 1 and 2 here. Here 1 sin x square 3 1 2 3 here 1 2 3 4. Clear? Then this is 1 2 3 4. Any doubt? Don't confuse. After completing chain rule, I will tell you very simple rules. If any two or more than two functions are there, how we can differentiate? Very simple. Clear? But whatever given in your book given chain rule, that's what I am going to tell. Then in the first video already I have told you this one. Second video, in this video I am going to tell this. For this question here, if y is equal to cos of sin of x square. Now, suppose from right side, let x square means let what? 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means in this formula v. From right side v means v is equal to what? X square. Therefore, y is equal to what? Cos of sin of v. Here. Now this is not formula. Formula means only sin cos like this one here. Again let sin v. Sin v is equal to what? U. U is equal to sin of v. Therefore y is equal to cos of what? U. Now this is single form. Why? Because we have formula d by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos of x. D by dx of y here. Sin y is equal to what? Cos of y. D by dz. Sin z is equal to what? Cos of z. D by d theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Cos of theta. And du by Sin u is equal to what? Cos of u. Clear? But d by dx of sin y. You say sin x with respect to x, cos x. Sin y with respect to y. Z with respect to z. Sin theta with respect to theta. Sin u with respect to u. But here sin y with respect to x. Both are different variable. If different variable are there, first I only write the formula. Sin y, differentiation of sin means what? Cos of y. Again differentiation of this y with respect to x. It means d by dx of y. Why? If both are different variable. Means every time if variable are different, we have to differentiate any other variable with respect to different variable. Then once more differentiation of given variable with respect to different variable. So here cos u y. Now going to put all the value y in the terms of u, v in the terms u in the terms of v, and v in terms of x in this formula. Clear? This formula in this formula. Clear? Then dy by dx is equal to what? D by du, the value of y in the terms of u is equal to what? Cos of u into d by dv of u. U means what is value of u in the terms of a? Sin v. Sin v. D v by dx. D by dx of v means what? In the terms of x square. Clear? It means according to this one, value of y in the terms of u, the value of u in the terms of v, the value of v in the terms of x. First I will put. Clear? After that, differentiation of cos u means what? Minus sin u. Differentiation of sin v with respect to v means what? Cos of v. Differentiation of x square with respect to x means what? 2x. Minus 2x sin u cos of v. Clear? This is value of dy by dx. After that, we have to put the value of v in the terms of x, u in the terms of v, y in the terms of u. Clear? Then here minus 2x, u is equal to what? U is equal to sin v. Sin of v into cos of v. Minus 2x, what is value of v in the terms of x? Sin of x square and cos of x square. Now this is value of dy by dx. Clear? This is answer only. Very simple. Don't confuse. If 1, 2, 3 function are there, we can put in 3 formula. 1, 2, 3. If 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we can put in this formula. Clear? This is also going to tell. I am going to tell here. Clear? Now see this question. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? From right side here, let x square is equal to what? W. Clear? And after that, this is sin w. Sin w is y is equal to log of cos of sin w. Then let v is equal to sin w. Let v is equal to sin w. Therefore, y is equal to what? Log of cos of v. Clear? Again, let u is equal to cos v. Let u is equal to cos of v. Therefore, y is equal to what? Log of v. Clear? Now this is single function. Till getting single functions, we have to change either w, v, v, u, whatever function are there, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, according to functions, we have to take formula. If 2 function means 1, 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. If 5 are there, we can take one more value. Understood? Now, all this value going to put this formula. dy by dx is equal to what? D by du, value of y, clear? Value of y, clear? And here, e is equal to cos b, value of y in the terms of u, log of u. D by dv of u, value of u in the terms of v, cos of v. D by dw of v, v means sin w, into d by dx of w means what? X square, x square. Understood? Very simple. Don't confuse very lengthy questions. How we can understand? Very simple. See the questions, write the formula, 4 function 4 times, 3 times, 2 times. After that, first of all this one, then again this one, total one, and log one. Then put here. Now, differentiation of log u with respect to u. Differentiation of log u with respect to u means what? 1 by u. Differentiation of cos v with respect to v means what? Minus sin v. Sin w with respect to w means what? Cos w. X square with respect to x means what? 2x. Clear? Now, going to put the value of u in the terms of v. U here in the terms of v means cos v. Cos v minus sin v into cos w into 2x. Sin v upon cos v what? Minus tan v. Clear? Either at last okay, we put the value 1 upon what is value of v in the terms of w. V means sin w, cos of sin w. Here into minus sin v means what? Sin of sin w into cos w into 2x. Clear? Now minus here, sin theta by cos theta means here, tan theta means tan sin of w into cos of w into 2x. Then first minus 2x tan sin, what is the value of w? W means what? X square here. X square into cos of w means what? X square. Now this is a value of dy by dx. Understood? Very simple. Log u 1 by u, cos v minus sin v, cos w, sin w means cos w, x square means 2x. Then u means the value of u in the terms of v. Cos v here, cos v, and the value of v in the terms of w, sin w, sin w, the value of w in the terms of x square. Now this is the answer. Understood? Now going to the last question, question number 3. Sorry, already I have told you here. Okay. Now going to tell second methods, very simple methods for you without using chain rules. How we can differentiate function of function means composite function. Clear? If 2 or more than 2 functions are there, how we can differentiate with respect to particular variable. Understood? Then first of all, question number 1. Y is equal to sin x square. Clear? And we have formula of d by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos of x. or d by dy of sin y is equal to what? Cos of y. And d by dz of sin z is equal to what? Cos of z. And d by d theta sin theta is equal to what? Cos theta. It means x is variable, same variable here, y same here also, z here also, theta also. Means differentiation of any function with respect to same variable number. If here d by dx of sin y is equal to what? Sin means cos y, again differentiation of y. If any different variables are there, different means any difference number. Once more we can differentiate with respect to this variable, means sin y, this is different variable. Sin y means what? Cos y, again differentiation of this one means d by dx of y. Suppose that here d by dx of x square, here what? X square means what? 2x, 2 minus 1, again differentiation of this variable number, whatever number here, once more, then into x. This is real rule. N into x by n minus 1, again differentiation of this variable with respect to same variable. Then differentiation of any variable, any numbers with respect to same number is only here 1. Then here 2x into 1 is equal to 2x. If 1 will come, therefore don't differentiation of this number, already even it is understood, it is not compulsory, not necessary, you will differentiate one more. But here, now see this question here, this is composite function, function of function, it means take first means what was letters, which numbers we read first, this is outer function, the rest of inner function. Then sin is the outer function, outer, and this is inner, clear, inner function. So first of all we have to differentiate outer, after that inner, clear. Then d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin x square. Then here dy by dx of, what is the differentiation of sin? This is inner function. Don't remember inner function. Either one term, two term, three term means like here sin x square, either cos of sin x square, no problem. You see only first letter, sin, outer function. Differentiation outer means what? Means sin means what? Cos. Cos of right inner function. Again differentiation of inner function x square. Then here cos of x square into x square means only 2x, therefore 2x into cos of x square. This is answer. Very simple rule, more than chain rule. Second question, if y is equal to cos of sin of x square, dy by dx is equal to what? D by dx of cos of sin x square. Then this is outer function, outer, rest of inner function. Here what is the differentiation of cos? Means what? Minus sin. Inner function means sin of x square, again a differentiation of this inner function. Here minus sin of x square, sin x square. Here again sin is the outer function. Sin is outer function. What is the differentiation of sin only? Cos of inner right inner function. Again differentiation of inner function means minus sin of sin x square, cos of x square into 2x. Now answer is 2x into cos x square into sin of x square. Very simple rule, very simple, more than chain rule. Then it is not compulsory. If any question is there, function of function, composite functions, you have to apply chain rule. It will take too much time. It is very lengthy formula rule. That's why please you can apply direct methods. This is outer inner function, direct methods. Very simple. Cos means only sine. Sine means cos, x square means 2x. This is the answer. Now going to tell last question by using this formula. Question number 3. Y is equal to log of cos of sine of x square. Clear? This also based on composite function, means function of function. First of all, first letter is the outer function. Clear? This is outer function. Rest of inner function. Then d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of log of cos of sine of x square. Clear? Now differentiation of log means outer, is what? We have so many formula. Log means 1 by x. Differentiation log means what? 1 upon total means total inner function. Cos of sine of x square. Clear? Into d by dx of inner function. Whatever inner function is there, differentiate this inner function. It means cos of sine of x square. Clear? 1 upon cos of sine of x square into, now this is cos x, sorry, cos is the outer function. What is differentiation of this cos? Minus sine. Then inner function x square, again differentiation of this inner function means what? Sin x square. Now you say minus sin x square in upon cos, and here sin x square. This is theta, this is also theta. Sin by cos is equal to what? Tan theta. Tan and sin of x square into differentiation of this is outer function. Sin means what? Cos of inner means x square, again differentiation of x square. At last minus 10 sin x square into cos of x square. X square means what? 2 into x. Then answer is minus 2x cos of x square into 10 of sine of x square. This is the answer. Okay, very simple. Once more, take first letter is outer. First letter is outer function, rest of inner function. Log means, log something means what? 1 by something means inner. Again differentiation of cos means what? Minus sine. Rest of inner function. Again differentiation of sine means what? Cos x square inner function. Again differentiation inner function 2x. Now this is the answer. Clear? Very simple. One by one we have to take. First we take outer function, rest of inner function. Again differentiation of inner function. Again differentiation of inner functions. That is just one. Till last one we will get the answer. Understood? Example formula we have d by dx of x power n is equal to what? X power n. Suppose this is x power n here. This x is the inner function. This x is the inner function. X power n means what? N into x power n minus 1. Again a differentiation of inner function into x. N into x power n minus 1. Dx by dx means what? 1. Then n into x power n minus 1. Now this is formula also here. In first video I have given this formula. So how it will come? By this method it will come. So only we have to learn n into x power n minus 1. Suppose d by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos x sin x. Sin is what? Outer function. Sine means cos of. X is inner function. Again, differentiation of this inner function. Then cos of x into d by dx of x means differentiation of same number with respect to same, means same variable with respect to same variable is what? Only 1. Then cos of x. Clear? That's why only writing d by dx of sin x is equal to cos of. No required for dx by dx. Clear? Because both are the same number. Understood? This is formula. Suppose if you will get like this one here, ax plus b. What is formula? Suppose here 3 here. X power n. Then this is inner function. Then n into ax plus b n minus 1. Again differentiation of what? Ax plus b is equal to what? 3 ax plus b whole square into a constant x is 1 means a into 1 plus 0 is equal to what? 3a and ax plus b whole square. Now this is answer. It means by this way we can get the formula also, but you have to remember only if function are there or composite function are there, no needs to apply chain rule. Only you have to apply very simple rule, simple formula, log of cos sin x square. Any numbers is there. Understood? Then you can apply this much formula. Understood? Okay. Now this is last question based on outer and inner function. Understood? Okay. This is under root. We don't have formula of under root. We have formula of like this. D by dx of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. But don't we have formula under root like this one, suppose here x. Clear? If any roots number is there, we can change into power form. Under root here, therefore y is equal to sine of log of cos of x, and here whole power 1 by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to what? D by dx of sine log of cos of x. Clear? Now this is inner function, means x power n. How many things, how many numbers, how many variables inside the bracket? Inside the bracket this is inner and power is constant number, this is n as a n. X by n form is equal to what? 1 by 2 and sine log of cos of x. Again differentiation of this inner function, sine log of and cos of x. Clear? Is equal to 1 by 2 sine of log of cos x into differentiation of sine. Sine means outer function, rest of inner function. Sine means what? Cos, right? Inner function log of cos of x. Again differentiation of log of cos of x. Clear? Here x power n means n into x power n minus 1 also here. 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. Clear? And 1 by 2 sine log of cos of here minus here 1 by 2 into cos of log of cos of. Log means what? 1 by cos of x. Again differentiation of cos means what? Minus sin x. Sin x by cos means minus 10. It means 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. That's why under root sine of log of cos x into cos of log of cos x into minus 10 of x. Now this is answer. Understood? Very simple, this way will complete. In next video I will tell remaining questions. Thank you very much.